Just lying there.
Yes, don't let Tom's horny ass on the funny Tues at silly o'clock. Oh no. Lacking. Doesn't you get caught lacking around Matthew Thomas?
Matt, you are not good. You're not over go.
Go for a run. Oh wait. You're fat.
Unstoppable.
I'll turn off the fucking camera now.
Unstoppable. More like unstalkable.
Guys, this map is different to all the other Counter-Strike maps because you start inside of the bomb site.
Thanks.
What?
Mate, my chest hurts from all these hiccups I've been doing.
Tom, do you want to do a retake server?
Hiccups.
Do you want to go outside?
No, I don't. I'll fit fucking outside all day.
Stop making me laugh. I've got the funny hubs.
What the? Why are you so gay?
Alex, but you don't have your funny.
Funny hat is. My funny hat is on backwards, Tom. That's how funny I am feeling today.
I've got two funny hats on.
Yeah, no.
What's wrong with you two? Actually, you sound like a mental deficiency.
Damn straight.
Oh, Alex, look, there's an Easter egg in this tunnel.
What's Easter egg?
No, God! Because you're poor and you never posted a money spread. Smoke. Oh my God, I'm actually like getting.
Tom, look at chat. Tom, look at chat.
I just did the cloudiest piss of my life.
Cloudy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like it hit
Cloudy in the trance of meatballs. Record!
It hit the water and it was like you could
Was that a
see.
clippable moment, Alex? Sorry, Tom. Was that a clippable moment, was it, Alex?
Bro said
You saying
record.
cloud.
Your host stink of body odor.
God, Matt, you are 2 for 2 to be fair.
Bro's on a streak. Bro's on a Duolingo streak. Laugh!
Why is he
Man, you
whining
just
like
missed like 7 AWP shots in a row. Don't blame your team for that.
Meow!
What? Shut the fuck up, man. I'm trying to...
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Don't peek it. He's gonna shoot you.
I bet you've never seen a cat clutch around like that!
Okay.
You are holding that in from the second you meow.
Call me the garbage disposal because yo bitch be giving me a proposal. Can we talk about that heat real quick?
This topics don't even relate.
It doesn't matter about the topics, it matters about the rhymes. I was born for this shit. I was born for this
Ooh,
shit.
you body blocked me. Bonded.
I don't have a job.
Wait, you're buying an AWP, an awfully lot for someone who can't hit your shots. Behind you? Actually, I'm joking.
This man rage about his callouts.
Mate, it's actually not us. Like, I get these guys are above us. I'm having a bad aim day, whatever. My callouts are pristine.
Quick scope, by the way. You see that? You don't see that because this is the shit you don't see on TV.
Why are you like this?
Matt, behind you.
What?
Matt, why is Dudley from Harry Potter sat on your bed?
I need a minute. I need a minute.
Oh no.
I can't. I need a minute. Oh my god.
Oh my god, my tummy hurts.
How is it 8:10?
Oh, it's silly o'clock.
It's silly o'clock.
Watch this.
Matt, tell him to go to bed. Matt, tell him it's his bedtime.
Yeah. He does it in a super dry tank top.
Matt,
I'm the goat.
Can you hear me?
Let's try.
Look at this goated surf. You ready? Play of the game. Yeah! I keep hiccuping whenever I shout. How do I get rid of the hiccups? Somebody scare me.
Oh my god, shut up.
I want a slushy. Where can we get? We can get a slushy from a petrol station in Borden. I'm actually down.
Go birthmark ass. Think I'm gonna drive all the way to Borden for a slushy. You've got another thing coming.
That's enough of that. Right.
Oh my god! If I
Alright,
swallowed my water, I would have choked and drowned. Ah!
We're gonna do a game of rock paper scissors, okay? If I win, I get a night with your mum. If you win, you get a day with Dudley.
Alright.
Rock and paper. So Matt wins.
Oh, that's it. There we go.
Guys, we should play Counter Strike in real life with Nerf guns. Hello.
You want to play with Nerf?
Alex, just say you want to play with Nerf guns.
No, it's Counter Strike in real life. I don't think you understand.
Hello! Purple and yellow and orange and blue.
Hello.
Hello!
I hate the world.
I go down.
I hate the world hates me.
House bars. Edgebug. Oh.
You are not Franz J.
You like not?
It's A!
I'm back.
Matt's A, go! Ha! Got him! No, open the case.
Put him. For real.
Purple! I'm the goat, okay?
See.
Yeah, that's not what the fuck.
Yo!
Your gloves.
What is up, YouTube? That is awesome.
Oh, man, that one almost went
I'm
my
gonna
nose.
name my dog Mabel, if I have a dog.
Mabel and your kid Balthazar. I suppose gravity falls things ever.
That's what.
Oh!
Guys,
And then I'll call my, if it's a boy, I'll call it Skips.
Brunkle.
Deadly.
Deadly 60.
You get like accused of being a rapist or something.
No.
What happened to Steve Blackshore then? He just disappeared one day.
Steve Batchelor is so
He
hot.
knew too much.
He's so fucking hot. I'm not even joking.
He discovered too much. He had to cut the fucking kids BBC or whatever it's called. Come down. Had to cancel him.
Discovered too many
Oh,
sports.
guys. Back.
Took.
You see that movement?
Hear him.
Same. Watch this.
The movement.
I'm the goat!
Oh no. Should we go for get some prime?
We got prime, boys. We
Matt,
got
what
prime.
is wrong with you?
They don't want people to be drunk driving. On silly juice.
On the KSI and Logan Paul's sweet nectar. Who's Father Christmas?
Oh, that's Santa Claus.
That wasn't funny.
What's funny? 4 for 4. I had a burger for breakfast. No, then that's a lie.
Breakfast, breakfast.
Breakfast. No, editor, cut that clip in.
What is going on here? Breakfast!
You're the editor. Avina Musen.
No, it's not who's. Fuck off. It's Alf. It's Alf.
Shut
Alf.
up!
Outside.
Alpidipidesen.
V. V descend. V. V.
What does it mean, Alex?
Yeah, what does it mean, you
I'm
fuck
blocking you.
square? GG, guys! Thank you for the game.
We win.
I'll see you around, kiddo.
Okay, editor, put that in.
Dude, you have the biggest nips of all.
Boys, okay, boys,
Right.
I'll do a little competition.
I'm gonna Tom. I'm gonna send you a photo of my nipples, and you're gonna put them on your video next to your nipples, and we're gonna compare who has the smaller nipples.
Yo, guys, vote in the comment section below. Who has the bigger nipples? I fucking hate you.
That's my meme.
It's not.
It is.
I sent it to the
Tom,
group.
get off your high horse.
We should watch South Park tonight when we get back from our
I
crime
think I'd
hunt.
actually rather get a revolver and play Russian roulette with a 1 in 5 of fucking up.
Fuck, that's such an Eric Cartman.
Such an Eric Cartman thing to say.
I know, I need to take a minute to myself.
Alex, you're such a Kyle.
No, I'll be right
You're
back.
such a Kyle.
Oh my god. You're acting like a real Timmy right now. Alex.
Am I right?
Okay, Tom, I can't play that.
Get gaming.
I'm supposed to skate.
Wanna live
Please, for the
free in the
thrill.
wind and skate.
It's my heart content.
I
We
just
should
wanna
get into
I
it.
just wanna grab a skateboard and leave
One
this
shot, one
town.
kill.
Leave this damn town.
So it's really graphic and messy.
He's
And then your mum
cheating!
watching. I want you to look your mum in the eye when you do it as well. Just so she knows that you're weak in this life.
Yep.
Thank
Green, boost me.
With the automatics, we gon' send them to heaven.
Go and hit yourself.
Get sturdy for those fat ass bitches out there. I'm going to the toilet. Guys, he doesn't know I know this. One simple whack.
Yeah, but I know Tom is a big money boss bitch and he can afford his own guns. You don't need no man to buy it for
I don't
him.
need no man. That's so real. Guys, everyone take the silencers off your M4s and pour one out for Pop Smoke.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way that's gonna be
I know this isn't your hottest game in the world, but if you die like Green just said, I will personally... I will...
Yeah, the end of my bollock, mate. There's someone pushing me.
Oh, what a cur! What a cur!
Oh, wait, heroic for losing!
Yeah.
Why are we saying this like we've watched the majors?
Alex, your ass is not following the major.
I got it.
Hello!
Oh my god, I hate English people. Can I have a... No. Please. I always give you back.
You are bot frag.
I'm not.
How
I've got more
do-
kills than
oh
you!
my god.
Please.
You guys keep making me D-rank! You don't deserve it!
Please!
I D-ranked!
You didn't even buy me a gun, man!
I D-ranked.
12.
There's one underpass.
Always jump down and check underpass, Tom.
Shove, you are not war out!
No, it's fine. It's fine. Nice try, guys. We'll get him next round.
The goats!
This is Alex, this is do or die, man.
Behind.
Oh! Oh! Can you plant?
Give him a minute, he's clearing sight.
That's one, baby. Oh, he moved. You need to plant.
Yeah, he knows, Tom, stop distracting him.
Oh, he's right. You need to stick it.
Die!